The address form question is really powerful when configured and provides a better user experience for users that are trying to enter their information into an address field. When you add the address question, you'll notice that it actually sets up all of the fields for you for the address, city, state, and zip, so you don't have to enter those individually. We integrate nicely with the Google Places API, which is configured within Settings. If you scroll down, there's a section called Google Places API. We provide a few helpful links. The first link will take you to the API where you log in and generate the API key that you paste into the box below here. Once that's been added, as the user enters in the form and starts typing, you notice that it will pre-fill and suggest different address options based on what they're typing in. So if we select the first one, it automatically will fill in the rest of the fields for city, state, and zip. So it definitely provides a much better experience for users coming from a mobile device where they don't have to type as much. The other option is access to use the environment variables that InPressure provides that are based on the user's IP address. So here's a list of all of the different options from city, state, zip, and country, as well as longitude and latitude coordinates. So I've set up an example form here where we just want to enter the zip code that we pre-fill from the user's GeoZip from their IP address. There's an option below that to update the city and state and other geo variables based on the zip code. So that's used if, let's say, the zip code that is suggested isn't the one that the user wants to enter in. So once they correct that zip code, it'll automatically update those other environment variables. So let me show you how that works. So the suggested based on my zip code was 97068. If I enter in a different zip code and hit continue, you notice that it will on the next page pre-fill the city or the city, state, and zip based on that updated zip code that I entered in. And if I look at the form, I'm pre-filling these fields on the form with the user's GeoCity, state, and then the zip code that was on the form before. So this is very handy. It provides options for configuring and making it a much better experience when we're using an address question on a form.